Instant noodles, a culinary phenomenon. From college dorms to bustling cities, they're a go-to meal. Cheap, convenient, and undeniably tasty, they've earned a permanent place in our pantries. But are they junk food? Let's delve into the world of instant noodles and separate fact from fiction. Instant noodles are a global comfort food. Enjoyed by people of all ages and backgrounds, their popularity stems from their affordability, ease of preparation, and long shelf life, making them a convenient meal option for busy individuals, students, and travelers. However, instant noodles have often been labeled as unhealthy and lacking in nutritional value. This perception stems from their processed nature and high content of certain ingredients like sodium and saturated fat. While these concerns are valid, a nuanced understanding of instant noodles requires examining their manufacturing process, nutritional content, and potential health effects. The journey from wheat flour to slurp-worthy noodles is a fascinating one. Most instant noodles begin with wheat flour, water, and salt. This dough is kneaded, rolled into thin sheets, and then cut into noodles. The noodles are then either deep-fried or steamed to cook them and remove moisture. Deep frying gives the noodles their characteristic texture and helps preserve them. Steamed noodles, on the other hand, are often touted as a healthier alternative as they contain less fat. After cooking, the noodles are packaged with flavoring packets. These packets typically contain a mixture of salt, seasonings, MSG, monosodium glutamate, and other flavor enhancers. The manufacturing process, particularly the deep frying step, contributes to the high fat and calorie content of some instant noodles. Additionally, the flavor packets are often laden with sodium, which can have negative health implications if consumed in excess. The nutritional profile of instant noodles varies depending on the brand and flavor. However, most instant noodles are high in carbohydrates, primarily from refined wheat flour. While carbohydrates are an essential source of energy, those found in instant noodles lack fiber and other nutrients. Instant noodles are also typically low in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, while fiber aids digestion and promotes satiety. The lack of essential vitamins and minerals further contributes to the perception of instant noodles as a nutritionally incomplete meal. Moreover, instant noodles are often high in sodium, which can lead to water retention, increased blood pressure, and other health problems if consumed excessively. Some varieties are also high in saturated fat, particularly those that are deep fried. Section 4. Health implications beyond the sodium debate. The high sodium content in instant noodles is a major concern for health professionals. Excessive sodium intake has been linked to hypertension, heart disease, and stroke. While an occasional serving of instant noodles is unlikely to cause significant harm, frequent consumption can contribute to exceeding the recommended daily sodium intake. Furthermore, the lack of essential nutrients in instant noodles can lead to deficiencies over time. Relying on instant noodles as a staple food can deprive the body of the vitamins, minerals, and fiber it needs to function optimally. It's important to note that the health implications of consuming instant noodles are also influenced by other dietary and lifestyle factors. A balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, combined with regular physical activity, can mitigate some of the risks associated with occasional instant noodle consumption. Section 5. Navigating the noodle aisle. Tips for healthier choices. Not all instant noodles are created equal. When choosing instant noodles, opt for varieties that are lower in sodium, saturated fat, and calories. Look for options that are air-dried or baked rather than deep-fried. You can also boost the nutritional value of your instant noodles by adding fresh or frozen vegetables, lean protein sources like chicken or tofu, and a boiled egg. These additions will increase the fiber, protein, and nutrient content of your meal. Another tip is to choose instant noodles with less processed flavoring packets. Look for options that use natural spices and herbs instead of artificial flavors and MSG. Section 6. Moderation is key. Finding balance with instant noodles. Instant noodles, like many processed foods, are best enjoyed in moderation. They can be a convenient and tasty meal option when time is limited, but they shouldn't form the foundation of your diet. Instead, focus on consuming a balanced diet that prioritizes whole, unprocessed foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean protein sources, and healthy fats into your meals. When you do indulge in instant noodles, do so mindfully. Choose healthier options, enhance their nutritional value with nutritious additions, and pay attention to portion sizes. Section 7. Conclusion: enjoying instant noodles responsibly. Instant noodles have earned their place in our global culinary landscape. While they may not be the nutritional powerhouse some claim them to be, they can be enjoyed as part of a balanced diet. By understanding their nutritional content, potential health implications, and making informed choices, we can continue to slurp our favorite noodles without compromising our well-being. Remember, moderation and a holistic approach to nutrition are key to enjoying instant noodles responsibly.